Under number search, you can search by part of a number using the number starting with, numbers containing, or numbers ending with. A scenario for these three searches is where a sticker is torn off of an item and you can only see part of the number. For example, if the sticker is torn off and you can only see the last few digits of a starter, you will select the number ending with search. Let's say the last few digits you can see are 372001. So I'll type in 372001 and press search. A list of items are now displayed with any numbers linked to the ending with 372001. As you can see, at the top of the screen, there are menu tabs with quite a few features. I'm going to leave compare and compare all buttons for a later segment of the video. Firstly, there is a sort by button. This allows you to sort by description, manufacturer, or spec, such as if I click a sort by manufacturer, it'll put all the manufacturers in alphabetical order. If I select manufacturers, I can see only the manufacturer that I want to see. So if I only want to see Bosch items, I press Bosch, and only the Bosch starter will pop up. If I just want to see Hella, only the Hella items will pop up. If I select Hella and Vallejo and not Bosch, I will see all the items except for Bosch. Next, we have categories. This allows you to see exactly what you want to see and nothing more. If I only want to see the alternator and starter, I select the alternator and starter and I will only be able to see those. Next, we have the See More button. This allows you to see added information without going into the part. So if I select volts, I will be able to see volts on an alternator and on this coil ignition, but I won't be able to see it on this harness light because it only shows the information that is applicable to the parts that you're looking at.